In 2012, Volkswagen launched the MQB chassis series in the Golf Mk7. This vehicle and its equivalent, the Skoda, featured a steel crossmember. SuperPro launched a lower control arm to suit the vehicle in alloy. The alloy lower control arm offered increased strength, increased caster, increased camber. With the change in the vehicles and the launch of the Audi, an alloy crossmember was incorporated in the vehicle. We have now launched our new lower control arm series, which interchanges both into the steel crossmember and into the alloy crossmember and goes right across all MQB chassis vehicles. Again, the features included increased camber, increased caster, the DuroBall rear pivot point, which is a spherical joint embedded in SuperPro polyurethane to give maximum handling without transmitting lots of noise, vibration, harshness, and of course the high quality front lower control arm inner bushing, which incorporates a alloy tube. This control arm is now available for sale on the market.